we are going to find the value of negative 2 times negative 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of negative 2 whole of e raised to the power of negative 2. But where should we start the solution? Welcome to Master Teacher MJ. In this video, I'm going to solve this fun little math problem. But before I start the solution, please feel free to pause the video, solve it yourself, then compare your answers with my solution. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Now, I'm going to start the solution after 3 seconds. 1, 2, go ahead and get started. But to solve this type of question, we need to follow a set of rules that is called the order of operation. The order of operation can be remembered by PEMDAS. PEMDAS. Each letter stands for different operation. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Now we have number next to the parentheses, which means multiplication. We have parentheses and we have exponent, multiplication, exponent, and parentheses. So we need to start with the term inside the parentheses. Negative 2 squared plus 2 raised to the power of negative 2. As you know, 2 squared is same as 2 times 2 or 4. But what is the value of 2 raised to the power of negative 2? To solve this, I'm going to get help from a math rule that says a raised to the power of negative m is same as 1 over a to the power of m. So 2 to the power of negative 2 is same as 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 or 1 over 4. So what do we have here? Negative 4 plus 1 over 4. As you know, negative 4 is same as 1, negative 4 over 1. To solve this, I'm going to get help from butterfly method that says 4 times negative 4 is going to be negative 16. 1 times 1 is going to be 1. Now, negative 16 plus 1 is going to be negative 15. And 1 times 4 is going to be 4. So this is the value of negative 4 plus 1 over 4. Let me rewrite it. We have negative 2 inside the parentheses, negative 15 over 4 raised to the power of negative 2. Now we have number next to the parentheses, which means multiplication. We have exponent. So we need to continue with exponent before multiplication. Now negative 15 over 4 raised to the power of negative 2. What is this? A raised to the power of negative m is 1 over a to the power of m. So it's going to be 1 over negative 15 over 4 raised to the power of 2, which means 1 over negative 15 over 4 times negative 15 over 4. So negative times negative, positive. 15 times 15, 2 to 5. 4 times 4 is going to be 16. What is the value of 1 over 225 over 16? It's going to be 1 over 1 divided by 225 over 16. We can convert division to multiplication. So it's going to be 1 over 1 times 16 over 2 to 5. Now 1 times 16, 16, 2 to 5 times 1, 2 to 5. So the value of this term is going to be 16 over 2 to 5. Let me write it. Negative 2, and instead of negative 15 over 4 raised to the power of negative 2, I'm going to write 16 over 2 to 5. And next, the last step, negative 2 times 16 is going to be negative 32, and 1 times 225 is going to be 2 to 5. And this is the most simplified answer of our question. Have fun.